In this video, we'll show you how to use Lumin to transform an agreement into a Salesforce template and map your data fields for a seamless signing experience. Start an agreement gen. Generate a new agreement by using AI by adding a prompt here, or click Import Content to upload an existing agreement. Once your document is open, navigate to the Roles tab on the left. Here, you can define your signers, like the disclosing and receiving parties. If a role was created incorrectly, you can delete it here as well. Reassign fillable fields by clicking it, then assign role, and then selecting a new role. Now, we need to specify in this template which Salesforce data to pull using variables. In the Salesforce Lumin Sign app, go to the Lumin Admin tab and click View Lumin Fields. Select your object, like account, to see a list of variables. Find the data point you need, for example, the disclosing party's address, and copy the variable name provided. Then head back to your documents in Agreement Gen and paste that variable directly into the text. When you eventually generate this document from an account record, Salesforce will automatically replace that placeholder with actual data. If your fillable fields are misassigned, reassigning them only takes a second. In this example, we'll also be upgrading these fields to Salesforce variables to save you from manual data entry later. Once you've completed the setup in Agreement Gen, to turn this to a reusable template, click the three dots in the top right and select Save as Template. Now, let's bring that template into Salesforce. Open the Lumin Sign app and head to the Lumin Admin tab. Scroll down to step 4 and click Sync Templates. Once the process is complete, you'll see a success message and your template will appear in the Templates tab. Open your newly synced template. Under the Mapping tab, select the Salesforce object you want to link, like an account, or select Create New Mapping. In the Role Mapping section, match your template roles to the corresponding Salesforce fields, such as the primary contact or the owner ID, and click Save Mappings. Next, go to Field Mappings. This is where we link specific document variables like addresses or titles to Salesforce data. Most of these fields should already be mapped, but in some cases where it doesn't, look up the Salesforce field in the dropdown. If you need a field from a related record, use the Add Lookup Field feature to navigate through objects like grabbing the billing address from an account or a contact's email. Then hit Save Mappings when you're done. Finally, go to Signature Request Settings. Toggle the account mapping status to active. You can also set a default expiration period. Then, choose to automatically download and attach the signed document back to the record, and check the box to automatically include a certificate of completion. That's it. Your integration is now fully automated and ready for use.